attention.
Here we go.
Oh, Eli Drake was hooked.
Comfortable. Drew McIntyre is up there.
Noise too.
Oh, and crashed there by.
Man, half his size.
Look at the power.
Wow. Looking for it. Oh, the fit Finlay.
Elbows. Pop up. Oh! And Drew.
Looking for a Celtic cross. A Celtic cross.
On the stairs. Can Drew connect here? What a maneuver! Against spun. Drew Galloway catches spun the center of the ring.
Oh, Kryptonite Crunch, it looks like he's going for center of the ring and lands it full force.
Second rope, Sheamus looking for some noise. And that made some. He's not going to do it from up there. The white.
Oh, no. White noise by Sheamus.
The WWE World Title. Caught with.
Referee's view is obstructed. White noise.
Forcing the official back into the ring. Not like this. Not like this. Kane came off the top rope and tweaked the knee. And Sheamus is going to take advantage. Sheamus looking for white noise. And Sheamus connects. Oh no, look at this. Jericho's in trouble. Sheamus, he's going for white noise. He's going for white noise. Connecting. Sheamus.
Oh, no. White noise.
Sheamus connects. Cover. Hook to the inside leg and Ambrose broke him. Look at this. Sheamus. He just picked that big Eli Drake. That is just a fact of life.
この辺りのインサイドワークもイーライ・ドレイク持ち味。さあ裏に持ってグレイビートレイン。
Is mad, and that is not going to be good for Grado.
This is not the gravy train that Grado wanted to go on tonight.
Oh, here we go. Long way down. Gravy train from the top.
And strength. Look out. Eli Drake drops Eddie Edwards. Is that it?
Oh, come on.
Gravy train.
Oh, just catches Bronzy out of thin air. Gravy train down.
Thanks for coming. Eli looking to put away Moose once and for all with the gravy train. Moose is down. Eli with another cover. And Eli.
Knees into the chest here. Oh, wait a second. Ricker not catching him.
Oh, that's it. That does
In the head with that metal championship, and there it is.
Can he keep the foot on the pedal? No, look
Whoa.
at the power. Oh, out of nowhere, the gravy train into the station.
My name is Finlay, and I love to fight.
Finlay with Rey Mysterio up on his shoulders, going for the Celtic cross. By the fat lady. Connecting. Remember the injured back. Finlay just roughing up Brian Kendrick. Look at that deep high crotch. We saw this move already. Oh! Here's the cover. So Finlay, oh man. Kendrick, he's in deep trouble now.
Time, wouldn't you say? Well, Finlay's been instrumental in Hornswoggle still being upright. And speaking of upright, top rope, and now it's Finlay and Matt Hardy. Can one of these two become the current ECW champion? Is it Finlay? Celtic cross.
Be like on WrestleMania.
Right now, Finlay doesn't need a ladder. All he needs is...
That's why they call it high risk.
Uh-oh, that's not a good position to be in. Finlay right now has got psychosis wrapped up.